Get back. Get back. Get back to where you once belonged. Get back. Get back. Get back to where you once belonged. Yeah. I have no idea how this all works. Hey DMAX16, I'm recovering from food poisoning. That's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. How are you? Yeah, food poisoning. I think it's got to be the worst experience I've ever had in my life. Suffering, honestly. Hey Murat. Hey Murat. What are you up to today, Murat? It's a rainy day in Singapore. I'm just fiddling around with this new thing that I don't know how to use. Bum, 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 bum. Why doesn't this work? Oh. How do you bring something to the front? Containerize. Containerize. I've been working on containers a lot lately. I've been messing around with creating my own NeoVim. Look at this Docker file. Isn't that awesome? Well, Murat, that's you got an action-packed day. I thought you'd might not. Hey, I got the chat window here, but it's not showing up. Am I? Oh, now it's showing up. Okay, it's better. Yep, yippity, yep. I can make this bigger, can't I? Can't see anything. Yeah, hey guys, sorry, I'm just feeling a little bored, so this is why I'm streaming. And this is why I'm streaming. Because I'm bored. And I'm lonely. I just spent the whole day in bed yesterday, the whole day, no joke. Diarrhea and vomiting. That was my freaking life. Yeah, I got a Docker shirt. I'm quite the loser, aren't I? I'm quite the loser. So the news is I've been using NeoVim and I'm trying to get Telescope to work. I'm trying to get Telescope to work. I needed to please turn it inside out. This is meant to troll all of you. I'm sorry to say. To be honest, I quite like Docker. There's something about it I like. It's like I'm quite the contrarian because like NeoVim cracks me up because it's so like ricey and there's like you know, 10 plugins that you need at any one time at the very least. But at the same time, I find it quite fun. Yeah, it's fun. It's let me show you my my new Vim config. And I'm trying to figure out why this doesn't work. Oh my god, oh my god. Can't remember what the GitHub issue was now. Maybe it'll tell me here. No, I'm not using freaking. I'm Arch always, except when I'm working for my employer. No, I'm not. I'm only using Mac for when I have to. I use Arch for the reasons like Homebrew just doesn't work for me. Just hate it. Sway lock. Ooh, who's using Sway here? A lot of people seem to be using Sway. I try it, but I just don't like it, and I just end up back on DWM. Yeah, these are my dot files. Who's hacker? Shit, I got a hacker on my dot files. NFT Minter. Okay, I'm out. Well, Macs are good for video editing. If you want to stream and stuff, it's quite fun. I mean, I can stream from OBS here, but like, it's not too bad. I mean, well, let's see if I can arrange this thing a bit better. Get back. Get back. Get back to where you once belonged. Get back. Get back. Are you guys having fun? Who's it? Okay, no one answered my Sway question. Is anyone using NeoVim with 10 plugins? Oh yeah, the permission model with Mac file system is also a bit weird, isn't it? It's a bit weird. Get back. Get back. I am feeling so ill still. So Murat, don't go to the new Italian place on Tilakura Road. You'll die, just like I did. Just spending some time reading GitHub. It's quite fun actually, GitHub. Spending a lot. I spent more time on GitHub than I do on Google, if you know what I mean. Read file to env. Huh? Interesting. Yeah. I always find environment variables a bit weird because they can be quite easily leaked. What the hell is this project? What a crazy name. Don't know what this is about. Next. Trying to find a bug that I was part of. Organic maps. Oh yeah, yeah. Organic maps. Never heard of it. When am I going to test VMs on M1 Mac? Okay, Benjamin. But how do we test it? We just run Docker on it? I mean, how can we test performance and things like this? Saved. Interesting. Didn't know about this. I have an M1 Mac here somewhere. It's my wife's. Okay, Benjamin, lay out the test plan. Lay out the test plan. I bet you $10 that my T14S running Docker or something like that will be faster. So ideally we have a Docker run. Let's say the image is already cached. I press enter, it computes maybe some prime numbers, I don't know. And I don't know what, can you think of a test? I think the VM performance experience will be much better on Arch. I'm almost certain of it. The file system's faster. There's no Linux emulation that has to happen. I mean, Arch will be faster than M1, dude. Can we just think about it a little bit? It's not even going to be a contest, I feel. Also, it's with the M1, people have said on Hacker News and stuff that there's like memory issues. If we also evaluate the memory profile of the M1 running a VM, I think we'll find it quite shocking compared to Arch. Find it quite shocking. Like this is my NUC. I'm running Prometheus. I'm running a Minecraft server. I'm kind of amazed how little memory they're taking. I don't know what that is. Adoring Meninsky? What's that? Oh, it's my alert manager. What's my Grafana? Can't read that. Oh, it's Grafana. Yeah, what? I think speed of iteration when it comes to dev and testing is actually the biggest issue. Maybe speed doesn't actually, if anything, speed doesn't matter maybe in production almost. But iteration speed for development is critical for me. Absolutely critical. Why doesn't the chat window work here? Fuck's sake. How do you make it come up? How do you adjust the orderings? Performance mode. What is that? Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing with the Streamlabs thing. So far I'm unimpressed. See, it's only when I move the chat window back you can see what's going on. Okay, well, you can't say it's fast until I compare it. You're right, Benjamin. You're right. Even though I have some commonsensical arguments, we don't know until we tried it. And we need to try it, right? We need to try it. But I need a test plan too, because I don't even know what to try. Can you find a Docker image where I can run it and do a comparison, please? I'm lacking imagination. Someone's got to tell me how this thing works. Why doesn't this work? Use Parallels. Isn't that a commercial software? No, Benjamin. No, I'm not using commercial software. Let's use Podman. Okay, I'm still trying to solve a problem here. The problem of telescope on my NeoVim. Yeah. Let me just... What can we run? Let me think about this. Okay, how about this? Nginx Docker image. That's kind of testing the network, isn't it? Get back. Get back. Get back to me once, but what the hell? Boom, 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 boom. 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 Boom, 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 boom. Get back. Get back. That's a good point, Benjamin. That's a good point. Yeah, is it running? Boom, boom. Oh, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. 2009, 2000, 17,000 requests a second. Let me just get my wife's. Let's get my wife's at M1. Where's Ruth's laptop?
Laptop?
The pink one.
iPad.
The pink laptop.
It's in the bag, I think.
Where's the bag?
The bag is hanging here. Oh no, I don't think.
It's not there.
It's not here.
Hey, Charlie, do you know where Mummy's pink laptop is?
No. Oh, here.
La, 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 la. Mhm. You know what? This shows you what a fanboy of Docker I am. I actually bought a $60 subscription to Docker. Sad. Sad but true. Okay, I'm installing Docker. I'm installing Docker for the comparison. And I'm gonna run Nginx, and then that's only okay. Okay, I'm still trying to find documentation for Docker images. Huh? Really? Corretto. Yeah, always wondered to myself how the packaging works for these Docker visual images. There's Alpine, Clear Linux from Intel. Has anyone tried Clear Linux? To be honest, I'm all AMD now, so I don't even. Paul. Drupal. People. Egg drop. That sounds familiar. It's like an IRC bouncer or something. What's egg drop? Huh? That's an official Docker image, is it? That's funny. Flink. What's Flink? Okay, stream processing. Quite like this repo. I've already started. I just started to latest base. Oh, that's weird, isn't it? Oh, sorry, I forgot about the Docker install. La di da di da, da di da di da. Dude, I like this repo. It's like the best of open source, right? What's crate? Crate DB. Never heard of it. Okay. I'm running Docker on the M1. Will it work? How do I know whether it's using the ARM? Oh shit, I need to... Okay, that's my first little issue. I think I installed the wrong version of Docker through Homebrew. Okay, let me fix that. Yeah, how are we going to do this test, Benjamin? Am I going to be also using an ARM-based Docker image, right? I wonder how I can get the screen onto my OBS. How do I get that screen there? The screen there. I know there's I can run OBS here, couldn't I? Yes. I'm a genius. Homebrew. Brew install. Then I use this and yeah, this is gonna work. This is gonna work. Apple Silicon. And a full-blown ARM arch. Well, okay, my current idea is just to test Nginx between the two. I'm going bold. Get back. I forgot how you do this OBS source stuff now. I really hate the permission model with Mac. You know, you launch the app like Teams or something, and then it asks you to restart. It's so awkward. La 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 la. Come on, get back. Oh, come on. I mistyped something. Okay, so okay, for those who just joined, it's oh god, what we're trying to do here is compare my Arch Linux machine versus the M1. I think Arch will win, but we'll soon find out. Just installing Docker and crap like that. Yep. Okay, all right. Now I'm trying to remember how you do this. Get back. Get back. Get back to where you once belong. Oh shoot. Start virtual camera. I already can't remember how you do this. Come on, how do you do this? Okay, display capture. Open system preferences. Sorry, I'm trying to get this M1 to show up on the screen so you can all look at it. And it's really not going well. La di da 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 di da di. Da di da di da. Is it start virtual camera? Can I change the source of my thing?